Well, hello, America. This is TonyCouldveBeen broadcasting TCB from my bomb shelter. Yes, my bomb shelter has a window. But anyway, I don't know, just in case you guys are wondering why I fell off the face of the earth. I mean, it hasn't been that long, but just been just absorbing this whole situation, and you know what I'm talking about. My workplace was closed, even though I thought it was kind of essential, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm not a politician or a decision maker, but you might notice some differences in my little setup here. I'm not gonna review too much because it's not fully functional and finished yet. And the sun is once again not cooperating. It's getting brighter as I speak. I feel like So this video is kind of a mashup of all the videos on my channel because I'm vlogging. I feel like I'm being personal. The only thing that's missing is the gaming, but I am reviewing as well. I'm not talking about basketball either, but there's no fucking basketball to talk about, which is very unfortunate. Anyway, here's what we got today. Got some Slim Jim fire fries, Inferno flavored. My expectations are not high. Let me get it open. This is why I'm not in any strongman contests. You know what? I didn't plan this out fully, so I should probably get a pair of scissors. See, everything I need is within my grasp. Oh, there's a little rip hair spot on it. I didn't see that. Shows how much I follow directions. Basically, it just smells like a slightly spicier fire Cheetos. These are actually, they look like fries. Okay, it's a little bit better than my low expectations gave it credit for. But I wonder if I should dip this in some ghost pepper sauce. No, I'm not. I feel like that's a little much, unnecessary. So yeah, hope everyone's doing okay out there. I'll manage somehow. If I could show you the setup of my room right now, after like years of putting this stuff together, I mean, I'm never gonna be bored, and I think that's important. As long as there's internet and electricity, I'll be good. But yeah. This would just be a short video, but I don't know what else to tell you. I just coughed, so I must be infected. No, there's nothing to make light of, but if you can't joke around about it, how will you stay in good spirits? That's all I'm saying. But who am I? I'm TCB, and this is TCB signing off. I'll be like Rich of Review Tech. Have a good one.